Hey everyone, this is going to be a quick one on the P settings for the Laotie Ti-30 scooter. My speed setting was set for 25%, so I needed to increase that to 100%. And in general, the P settings on the Ti-30, this one here with this display, are pretty much the same. In fact, they are the same as the Q power with this, if it has this green display. There's 10 settings, so P00 through P09, and it's pretty standard on any of the controllers that have the 10 settings, P00 to P09. So anyway, just real quick to get into the P settings menu, you push and hold both buttons at the same time for a few seconds. And then it shows P00. Now you can go up or down. There's P01, 2, 3. It'll go up to 9, then back to 00. If you go the other way, P00, P09. So it goes both ways. To change a setting, like for example, if we were going to change this, you'd push and hold the mode button, and then this will flash, and then you can adjust it up or down. I'm going to go over here really quick, show you what the settings are based on what I think they should be. This is the P settings for the Q power with the green display, and again it's 10 settings, P00 to P09. This Ti-30 also has the 10 settings, P00 to P09, and from what I can tell, it's identical to the Q Power one. And it's a pretty standard thing, I think, for controllers that have the 10 settings. So very first one here, let's just go over this real quick. P00 is wheel size. These are 11-inch wheels on the Ti-30, so that should be set to 11. P01 is a low voltage cutoff. That should be set to 52 volts. I don't know if it really does cut off the battery or anything. That's the intention, but anyway, 52 volts is as low as you should go with this battery. Don't take it any lower than that. You're going to risk damaging the battery. And that's when the scooter is standing still, not moving. When you're moving, the voltage will look like it's lower. Okay, P02 speedometer calibration. That's also called the magnets. I forget something about the magnets. Really all this does by changing this number is it affects the speedometer reading on the scooter, so you can basically dial it into whatever you want. If you want an accurate reading with an exact reading on your miles per hour, then just get a GPS app on your phone and use that instead of the speedometer on the scooter. Okay, next one, P03. You can't change it. I'm not sure what it is, but it's set to 1 and you can't change it. P04 is your miles per hour, kilometers per hour setting. Set it for 1 for miles per hour, 0 for kilometers per hour. P05 kickstart, 1 is set to kickstart. Okay, next P06 is your cruise control. 0 equals off, 1 equals on. I highly recommend setting to 0 for off. You don't want to be surprised by the cruise control locking in when you're going real fast and you're not. You let off the throttle and the throttle doesn't let off. Okay, 7 torque on start. Basically, what it means is how much current or how much torque or acceleration you'll have from start. 0 equals low, 1 equals high. When you set to 1, it also says N soft in the menu. I haven't tried it on the Ti-30 yet, but on the Q Power, it really didn't make that much of a difference, but I left it set for 1. P08, this is an important one, your top speed has to be set for 100 for the whole speed. Think of it as like a percentage, 100%. When I got my Ti-30, mine was set for 25 or 25%, so it wouldn't go anywhere near as fast as it's capable of. Got to set P08 to 100 to get the full speed out of scooter. P09, motor brake assist. There's 3 different levels. I think 0 is off, 1 is like a low, and 2 is like a high for the motor assist braking. I like setting it on 2. On the Q Power, it's a really nice feature. On the Ti-30, I didn't seem to notice as much motor braking as I do on the Q Power, so that's something I'll have to play along with. I did take a ride last night with my GPS and filmed it. So I'm editing that video currently right now, and I'll probably have that up in a few days, maybe Friday, Saturday, sometime over the weekend, showing the Ti-30 running with the GPS app, showing the speed and acceleration and such. Alright guys, till then, take care, peace, ride safe.